Welcome to Update Insights. Today, we focus to a major global development unfolding this morning, June 16, 2025, Israel local time. Iran has launched yet another large-scale missile and drone attack on Israel, marking the fourth consecutive day of intense hostilities. Here's what we know so far. Events of June 16th, early morning Israel time. At approximately 4:30 to 6 a.m. Israel Daylight Time, air raid sirens blared across Israel, including Tel Aviv, Haifa, Petah Tikva, and central regions, as Iran launched a heavy barrage of missiles and drones. Reports indicate over 100 missiles and UAVs were launched, marking yet another unprecedented wave. Israel's air defenses in action. Israel's multi-tier air defense system, Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow, engaged aggressively, with officials estimating about 90% of threats intercepted. Despite this, 22 missiles penetrated defenses and struck populated areas. Casualties and damage overview. According to the Jerusalem Post and AP, casualties: at least 3 civilians killed, 2 women, 1 man in their 70s, and 74 wounded across central Israel, about 67 in moderate to mild condition. Buildings struck, residential towers in Petah Tikva, damage reported in Tel Aviv and Haifa. A power plant in Haifa was hit, sparking fires. Total injuries, around 67 to 74 victims treated across multiple cities. Economic and infrastructure impact. The attack caused significant structural damage to homes, power outages and fires, notably in Haifa's power plant. Economic losses potentially running into tens of millions of dollars given early reports of extensive infrastructural harm. Public alerts were issued, shelters activated, and schools closed. Iran's intent and strategic context. Iran's state media dubbed this wave part of Operation True Promise 3, claiming it was a calibrated retaliation for recent Israeli strikes on Iranian nuclear sites and missile facilities. They threatened intensified attacks if Israel continues its current campaign. Israel's countermoves. Israel struck an Iranian refueling aircraft in Mashhad earlier today, responding to the UAV barrage. Additionally, the IDF has targeted Iranian missile launchers and military installations for days, aiming to suppress further assaults. What happens next? Military analysts warn the region is teetering on the brink of full-scale war if escalations continue. Israel remains on high alert, with airspace over central and northern zones restricted. Global diplomatic efforts, including at the UN Security Council and among G7 nations, are underway to counter further escalation. Conclusion. From Update Insights, we'll continue monitoring this developing situation. Though our channel specializes in automotive content, we're committed to bringing you accurate, verified updates on urgent global events. Stay informed, stay safe, and thank you for watching.